Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve a LRDI set. So let us begin. So during a particular month, Tarak visited 6 cities: Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad and Bangalore, not necessarily in the same order. After visiting the 6 cities, he ranked the cities from 1 to 6 based on the order of his preference. The rank of any two cities that he visited on one immediately after the other differed by at least 2. Okay, so the difference between the ranks of two cities, let's say the rank city 1 and city 2 is there, then the ranks, if the rank of city 1 is 1, then the rank of city 2 can be only 3, 4, 5 or 6. Okay, it cannot be 2. The reason behind that is that because it has said for two consecutive, that is immediately after one another, the difference should be at least 2. Okay, so 3 minus 1 is 2 and above that it is possible. After that it says that while for any two cities whose rank differed by exactly 2, let's say for the case he is saying for rank number 3, he is talking about, let's say, between 3 and 1 the case. Okay, so while for any two cities whose rank differed by exactly 2, he visited at least one city in between them. Now you see that if he visited city 1 and city 2 and the ranks which he gave to them was city 1, rank 1 and rank 3, then this case is not possible because there has to be one city in between. So now this means that there cannot be any pair of consecutive cities whose rank differs by exactly 2 or 1. So that means the minimum possible difference between the ranks of any two consecutive cities is always going to be 3. Okay, because exactly 2, a difference of exactly 2 which was said in the first line was possible till we read up till here that it can be at least 2. Okay, the difference can be at least 2, but after reading the complete we can say that there cannot be the difference of exactly 2 because there has to be one city in between. So consecutive cities cannot have a rank of difference of 2. So that means if the rank of city is 1, then the other cities will be 5, 4, 5 and 6 are the only 3 possible cases. Okay, so now what you have to do is see for 1 what are the ranks possible. For 1 the ranks which are possible are 4, 5 and 6. For 2 the ranks possible are 5 and 6. For 3 the possible ranks are 6. Similarly for 4 the possible rank is 1. For 5 the possible ranks are 1 and 2. And for 6 the possible ranks are 1, 2 and 3. So these are the possible ranks that they have. Okay, after that see what you have to do. So see, this means that the city rank 3rd has only one possibility and city rank 4 has only one yeah, the city rank 3rd has only one possibility and city rank 4 has also only one possibility. Okay, that is to be at the top or at the bottom because they only have one adjacent city to them. So let us make both the cases. So first let us write the order. So order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then there is rank. Okay, so the rank given and here is the city. Okay, okay, so now the first case is, let's say when the city ranked 4 is at the top. Okay, so when city rank 4 is at the top, that means the adjacent one will have numbering 1. Okay, also then we have to give the last order to the city whose rank is 3. So if the rank is 3, then the rank of city which he went in order number 5 is going, the rank is going to be 6. Okay, that is the only possible case. Okay, because now it is 6, this one cannot be 5, so this one has to be 2. Okay, and then this one has to be 5, rank 5. Okay, so this is one possible combination. Now what you have to do is, let us read the all the sentences. So he says that he visited the city rank 3 before he visited Chennai. He says that he visited the city rank 3 before Chennai. Now, if the city rank 3 is at the last, this case is not possible. So that means the assumption which we took that the city rank 4 is going to be visited first is not true. And that means the other possible case is what we are going to check for. That means the city rank 3 is going to be the first visited city. And city rank 4 is going to be the last visited city because they are the only possible cases for first and last because they only have one possible rank for them for their adjacents. Okay, so if city rank 3 is visited first, so city ranked 6 would be visited second and city ranked first would be visited fifth. If first is visited fifth, then the city rank fifth will be visited fourth and the city rank 2 will be visited third. So this is the final combination. After that, let us move ahead. Okay, he says that he visited Kolkata after he visited city ranked 1. So he visited Kolkata after he visited city rank 1. Then the city rank 1 is this one. So after that means the Kolkata is going to be visited at this position only, okay, at the last position. Let's move ahead. Delhi was the fourth city that he visited. Now fourth city that is visited, here we are talking about order. So this will be Delhi. Okay. Move ahead. He visited the city ranked 2 before he visited Bangalore. He visited the city ranked 2 before he visited Bangalore. That means Bangalore is visited in these three places only. Out of these three, these two places are gone. That means the only place left for Bangalore is this one. Let us move ahead. He says that he visited, he visited Hyderabad before he visited Mumbai. Now Hyderabad and Mumbai are to be visited here. Okay. Out of that, see this city, Chennai. Chennai cannot be visited here. That means this place is going to be visited only. This can only be Hyderabad or this can be Mumbai. But we have been given that Hyderabad is visited before Mumbai. So that means that in any case, this one is going to be Hyderabad. Acha, after that, we have to decide between Mumbai and Chennai who is going to come second in the second order and who is going to come third in the order. So for that, we have been given one information that Mumbai was not the third city that he visited. So if Mumbai was not the third city that he visited, that means Mumbai will be the second city which he visited. So if Mumbai is the second city, then Chennai will be the third city. So with this, a complete set is done. We can move towards the questions. First question is, what is the rank of the second city that he visited? So second city rank is 6. So correct answer for this question is 6. What is the rank of Delhi? The rank of Delhi is 5. Okay, how many cities did he visit between Chennai and the city rank 3? So Chennai and city rank 3, only one city. Correct answer is 1. So with this, our set is completed. Hope you have understood this set well. Thanks for watching the video, guys.